This is the Eryri National Park, or Snowdonia, 823 square miles of incredible landscape, mountains, woodlands, rivers and coastline, designated for its outstanding quality. But last year the National Grid published plans to upgrade the grid to meet the needs of net zero, which I have to say is vital. These plans include a high tension link between Bangor and Swansea, which could potentially cut right through the Eryri and Bannau Brycheiniog national parks, as you can see on this map. That's despite the fact that the grid's own rules, the Halford rules, say that new high tension overhead lines should avoid national parks altogether, if possible. Burying these underground is no panacea either, because much of the landscape is pristine mountainside, and burying high tension cables can do as much damage, as much ecological damage, as building a 6-lane motorway. The grid's plans across the UK include a number of undersea links between Scotland and Wales, Scotland and England, and indeed England with England. That's why the Snowdonia Society and the Alliance of Welsh Designated Landscapes is saying that the preferred option should be to route the new link around the coast, subject of course to satisfactory environmental assessment.